how to remove phone number on Instagram. So you find this video helpful, please click on the subscribe button and that bell icon on so you'll be updated after our new uploads here. So right now we are here on our Instagram. What we would do is go to our profile by clicking on our profile picture, and next what we would do is go to the three lines at the top and then click on settings and privacy. So once you have clicked that, what we would do is head on to the account center. So click on that. It will lead you to here, and what we would click here is the personal details, and as you can see I have my email here and my phone number. So just click on that, and in here let us click on my phone number. So if you want to delete, just click on the delete number button that is colored red. So I hope this video helped you, and thank you for watching this.